So how can you fix the software update error on the iPad? Let me talk about it and explain some things and the steps you can take. And if you're new here on Foxtecc, subscribe and we can get started. So of course, you go to the settings and check out the general section and software update to see if there is anything available. And for me, my iPad is up to date, so in fact it worked, but a lot of times it happens that the software update is downloaded, like the installation file is saved onto the device, but it might be corrupted or something might have happened to it. So it's a good idea to still be inside of the general section, but going to the iPad storage like that. And if you have the installation file of the software update downloaded, so you will be able to scroll through the things and stuff, and if you will be able to see it right there, you will have the ability to delete the software update, the one which is downloaded and not yet installed, and then you will have the option to come back to the general and re-download it again. Sometimes it happens that it fixes the issue simply because, as I said, the file might have been corrupted, so I would definitely give it a try and see if I can find the software update being downloaded, deleted, and re-downloaded again. Then of course, if the iPad simply has problems, you can restart the device. Like, you can go to the control center, hold it down on the off button, and literally disable it and come back to the fresh iPad, right? So that might be yet another thing you can do. And the last resort option would be by using a computer and a cable to install the software update through iTunes or the Finder on Mac, which I'm not going to show you in this video because I believe that those things should help you out, but that is going to be the last resort option, and through the computer it's almost definitely going to work. So I hope that I was able to explain it. Let me know what you think about it below. Let me know if you fixed it. Thanks a lot, and I'll talk to you later in the future uploads as well.